Have you ever felt that icy grip of doubt right before you were about to leap? That's fear whispering, trying to keep you small. It's like standing at the edge of a vast ocean, knowing the shore behind you is safe, but the horizon calls for something more. I remember a time I froze, utterly paralyzed, missing an opportunity that might never return because I let that fear win. But I learned, just like Amelia Earhart didn't let a crash define her, that true failure isn't falling. It's refusing to stand back up. What masterpiece are you holding back because you're afraid of a single brushstroke out of place? The first step in any invention, any revolution, any personal triumph, was always just one audacious act of courage. It's not about being fearless. It's about feeling the fear and moving forward anyway, again and again, with grit. So what's that one brave thing you've been putting off? Do it. Right now. Because your courage isn't just for you. It's the ripple that inspires others, shaping a braver, more vibrant world. Don't just dream of the mountain. Climb it. Your legacy begins with that first courageous step.